Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to create this photo morph animation in PowerPoint. So you can see we are having three pictures over here. One is of Sarah Michelle, Emily Turner and Jian Chen. So if I click anywhere on the image of Sarah Michelle, you will see that it instantly gets morphed into a bigger size image of Sarah Michelle and shows her credentials. Later, I click anywhere on this image and it will revert me back to my main screen. Same way, if I click anywhere on Emily Turner, you will see that it magnifies into a bigger image and shows me her accomplishments. Later, I click anywhere on her image and I'm back to my original image. And same way, if I click anywhere on the image of Jian Chen, it will magnify and show me his credentials, and then I can click anywhere on this image and come back to my original image. So without any further ado, let me show you how you can achieve this effect in PowerPoint. We will start by inserting 3 more blank slides into our presentation. So I will right click over here and I would select insert new slide, again new slide and one more new slide. These are the slides where I will insert the 3 images. Now I'll come to the slide number 1 and I'll insert 3 rectangular boxes. So for that I click on insert and in insert I select shapes and in shapes I select rectangle and I draw one rectangle like this. Now you can see I can see the dimensions of my rectangle. Let me make it to 8 cm by 8 cm and hit end. Then I will press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste and paste it over here. And one more time I'll press Ctrl D to duplicate it and paste it over here. Then I would select the 3 rectangular boxes, right click on them and group them like this and then align it in the center and align it in the middle as well. Once I have done this, then I can ungroup the 3 boxes, right click and select group and ungroup. Then I'll come to the second blank slide and over here I'll insert pictures and in pictures I will select stock images. In stock images I will type business and I will hit enter and then I would select any 3 business images from here. And once I come across an image of my choice, I can select that image and select insert. So let me quickly insert 3 images into our slide. Once I have inserted the 3 images into my 3 slides like this, then I would crop them to half their size. So for this I would click on view and in view I would select guides. So it would show me the guides and then I would just crop this image to half the size. So I'll take this image a bit over here to the location where I desire to be shown and then I go into picture format and select crop and crop it from either of the sides like this and like this. Once I am happy with my crop, I'll just click anywhere to confirm the crop. If you find that the picture is not very centered, you can one more time go into click on the picture, select picture format, again select crop and you can adjust the crop so as to accommodate the picture in the center. I want to show the laptop as well, so I'll bring it like this. And then I would click anywhere outside so that the image gets confirmed. Then I would click on the second image, and again I would take this to the left. Then I would further take it to the left, as I want the head of the image to be in the center. Then I select picture format and select crop, and crop this to this corner, and from here also I will crop it to the end of the slide like this. And once I am happy with the crop, I'll click outside to confirm my image. So you can see that one side the image is on the right, the second side the image is on the left. Now I click on the third slide, and again I click on the slide, and again I go into picture format and I select crop. Then in crop, again I'll crop this image to the dimensions I want, and then click outside to confirm the crop. Then I can turn the guides off by going into view and turning the guides off. Now I go into the first slide and I select the first square and I press Ctrl C to copy, and I bring it on my second image and press Ctrl V to paste. After that, I can right click on the square or the rectangle, and I can format this particular rectangle. So I'll select format shape, and in format shape I'll select fill. In fill I'll increase the transparency, and then for the outline I would go into shape format, and in shape outline I would select a white color, and in shape outline I would select a weighted line of 3 points, and then I would move this rectangle to an area which I want to show like this. And then I would click on the image and I would crop the image. So I would select picture format and I would select crop. But before that, what we'll do is we will duplicate this slide. So I will select this side and I would select duplicate slide. I would select this slide and I would duplicate the slide, and I would select this slide and I would duplicate this slide. I'll come back to my second slide, and now I want to crop this image to the size of this rectangle. So I would go into picture format and select crop, and then crop the rectangle. So you can see a shadow of the rectangle in the background. So you can crop the rectangle this way. And same way from the top as well. And same way you can do it from the left as well. After that, you can confirm the crop by clicking outside. Click on the rectangle and delete the rectangle. Then select the image, Ctrl C, copy. Then come to your first slide. Click on this rectangle and Ctrl V, paste. Bring this image exactly on this rectangle. Right click on the image and select send to back. Then click on this rectangle and delete this rectangle. We'll go to our third slide. We don't want this rectangle. We'll just copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl X. We'll cut it from here. We'll go into the next slide and we'll paste that rectangle over here, and we'll bring it to the size where I want, at the location where I want on the image. Then I would select the image, and then again I would use picture format and crop this to the size of the rectangle like this. And once you are happy with the crop, click outside. Then select over here, delete the rectangle, select the image, Ctrl C and Ctrl X to cut it from here. Come over here and Ctrl V to paste it. Then paste that image exactly on this rectangle. Then right click on the image, send to back. Then select the rectangle and delete the rectangle. After that, we don't need this slide. Select the slide, delete slide, select the slide, delete the slide. Now come back to our third image. Now again in our third image, we'll use the rectangle. So we go into the first slide, we copy the rectangle, we come to the third image, we paste the rectangle, we bring it to the location where we want, and then we adjust the transparency. So I would select format shape and increase the transparency. And then I would also go into shape format, shape outline, white outline, shape outline, weight is 3 points. And then I would select the image, picture format and crop that image. So I click here and bring it to the edge of the rectangle. Click here, bring it to the edge of the rectangle. Click here, bring it to the edge of the rectangle. Click here and bring it to the edge of the rectangle. Click outside to confirm the crop. Select the rectangle, delete it. Select the image, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl X cut. Come into your first slide, paste it over here. Align it with the rectangle. Then send the image to the back. Then select the rectangle, delete it. Now come to the fourth slide. Right click on the slide and delete the slide. Now you can write some corresponding text over here. So let me quickly type some corresponding text over here. Once you have written the text for all the 3 slides, come back to your first slide and change the background. So I will right click over here and select format background. And from format background, I'll select a darker fill, something like this, and close it. Now I'll establish a link between the image and the slides. So I click on the first image, then I click on insert, and in insert I select link, and in link I select insert link. Here I would select place in this document and select slide 2 and select OK. Then I go to slide 2, click on the image, again click on insert, again select link, again insert link and link it back to slide 1 and select OK. Come back to your slide 1, select the second image, click on insert, select links, select insert link and insert a link with the third slide, click on OK. Then come to the third slide, select the image, click on insert, select links, insert link and link it with slide 1. Finally come back to the first slide, select the last image, select insert, select link, insert link and link it with slide 4 and select OK. Come back to your slide 4, select the image, select insert, select link and link it with the first slide and select OK. So now if you see that when I play my presentation, If I click anywhere on this image, it takes me to this image. I click over here, back to this image, click over here, and click over here, back to original image, click on this image, and click anywhere on this image, back to this. Now we want the morph effect. So let me show you how to get it. It is very simple. Just select all the 4 slides by pressing the shift key. Then select transitions, and in transitions select morphs. Once morph is done, click on the first slide and click on slide show. Now you can see that the moment you click on the first slide or the first image, it will morph instantly to the bigger image. And you click anywhere on the bigger image, it will morph back to the smaller image. And same effect you will get for the second image. Click anywhere on the second image. And same effect for the third image. And click anywhere on the third image. So friends, in this particular training, I have taught you how to create a photo morph effect in PowerPoint. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.